Hi beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my first YouTube video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis East West with you guys. As you can tell, it's been already unboxed, because my daughter was so excited, so she needed to see it. Meanwhile, the essay obviously beautifully wrapped it, but I still wanted to unbox it with you guys. So it comes in its dust bag. So guys, here goes the beautiful Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis East West bag. It's so beautiful, with the monogram, the gold hardware, with the chain handles. It's so beautiful. J'adore. Here's the back side of the bag with the little pockets, the side, the other side, and the bottom. Such a cute bag. And here is the inside with the second strap. The strap is actually versatile. You can use it as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. Again, inside the bag, it has a little compartment with a zipper, and yeah, that's it actually for this bag. Yeah, that's it. Such a beautiful bag. Yeah, if you want to know what fits into this bag, just leave it in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, au revoir.